Hello guys, it's Don John once again, and you are welcome to the second part of this tutorial, how to get orders as a beginner on Fiverr. This is a Primer Tutor tutorial, and I'd like to remind you that at Primer Tutor, we are committed to helping small businesses to grow and also helping people with entrepreneurial mindset to start and grow their businesses both online and offline. So you can check out our website. I'll leave the link in the description section for all the free resources you can get to help you start and grow your business. Before we start, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to our channel. I'd also like you to share this video, leave a comment, like it. Do whatever you can do to help us reach out to as many people that need our tutorial as we can. Doing this will not only help us grow, but it will also help us to be able to be bringing more valuable tutorials to your doorstep free of charge. In the first part of this video, I took you through 5 steps how you can start getting clients as a beginner on Fiverr. The first step was to get a high demand skill, and we identified skills like web designing, graphics design, and things like that that are in high demand now, so that you can be better positioned to serve people on Fiverr. The second step was to know your target audience, and here we told you that you cannot serve everyone because everybody cannot be your customer. Step 3 was to optimize your profile, and I showed you what to do and also linked to the video which is specifically done for that. I'll also leave the link in the description section in case you want to watch a complete video on that. Then also we said step 4 that you should optimize your gig. We also have a video on how to optimize your gig. I'll leave a link to that as well. And the 5th step for that tutorial was for you to market and advertise your gig. We also prepared a checklist that will help you do these things one after the other. So I'll leave a link in the description section. Just go ahead and download the checklist so that you can just go ahead and check them out one by one. By the time you get to step number 10, you will know that you are ready to start getting clients. Let's proceed to what we have for you today. Our step 6 is for you to utilize social media groups. And we have these groups on Facebook, we have them on Twitter, we have them on Quora and other social media platforms. The idea here is for you to join this group and see what is going on there. See the conversation that is going on these groups. This is where you get to learn the problems, get to know what is the real problem in your niche, because in these groups you meet real people that are airing their mind on what is going on in your niche. They'll share their problems, others will share the solution, and a whole lot is going on this group. So what you'll do is when you join these groups, you just have to spend some time there following what people are doing. So when you are in these groups, what you'll do is that you follow the conversation that people are having and try to answer a whole lot of questions. Leave comments that have value, and also you create posts in your niche that shows that you are an authority in that field, in addition to answering questions and providing a whole lot of value to people in that group. Make sure you spend some time, at least 30 minutes to 1 hour every day, on these groups, answering questions, creating posts, interacting with people, and also getting to ask people questions so that you build a relationship with real people. When you have built relationship with these people, you can then begin to leave a link to your gig in the comment section telling them to use your services. Now, this is one of the ways you can use to get eyeballs on your gig and bring people to patronize your service. Step 7 is to create multiple gigs. Now, the mistake that new freelancers that sign up on Fiverr do is to just create one gig and leave that gig there. Remember, I keep telling you that sales is a numbers game. So the more gigs you create, the more your chances that people are going to see these gigs. And the more people get to see your gigs, the more your chances that somebody is going to click on them. So let me take you to my dashboard, and under dashboard, I'll go to gigs. Here you can see that I've only set up one gig. And under here, there are some interesting statistics. You can see here is impression. That simply means the number of people that see your gig. This simply means that when the keyword that relates to my gig was searched for, my gig has shown up 42 times. So interestingly, out of these 42 times, you can see that nobody has clicked on it, and I have gotten no orders, neither have I gotten any cancellations. So the key here is if you have several gigs, up to 7, and I think 7 is the maximum number of gigs you can create. So if you create these 7 gigs, let's say you have 42 on one, 37 on the second one, and you keep having numbers, at the end of the day, you are going to have a whole lot of impressions, and possibly 1 or 2 people are going to click on your gigs, and which might possibly turn to orders. So what I advise you to do here is for you to create multiple gigs, and these gigs have to be related. For instance, if your main gig is web design, you have to create the other gigs to be related to web design. Let's say you can create content marketing or blogging or content writing, or you can even niche down on the web design to something like creating one page or creating a welcome page or something like that. So you need to create multiple gigs, up to 7, that are related to each other, so that you can have more eyeballs on your gigs, and these eyeballs will possibly turn to orders. Step 8 is for you to spend time online on Fiverr. Now, this is another mistake that newbies do on Fiverr. They just sign up on the platform, create a gig, and then abandon the gig there. No, you have to always be online. You need to leave your browser on and always be online. And to help you stay online all the time, you can download the app for your phone. Okay, so Fiverr has an app both for Android and for the Apple phone. So you can download this app and always leave it online on your phone. Another way for you to stay online all the time is for you to make use of a Chrome extension called Super Auto Refresh. So here I'll take you to my browser and search for Super Auto Refresh. So here we are, Auto Refresh plus Page Monitor. I'll click on that, and here you can see that it has 9,844 5-star rating. So I'll come here and add it to Chrome. I'll click on Add Extension. What this extension will help you do is that it will help you refresh your page from time to time. So when you are done installing, it will automatically open this page for you to adjust the settings. Here it's showing 12 seconds. You can reduce it to 10 seconds so that every 10 seconds your browser will refresh. This will help you stay online always on Fiverr. This is another step that you can take, and it will help you to get clients fast on Fiverr. Step 9 is for you to have a portfolio website. This is one of the most important things a freelancer must have. A portfolio website is a website that you put in all your skills, the works you have done, the achievements you have achieved so far, and everything about yourself. This will help to prove to clients that you are really who you say you are, that you can do the things you say you will do. This is where you leave the links to the jobs you've done. This is where you put in your CV and everything. So it is a must-have for every freelancer. Now, it's good for you to have pages on social media. One thing you must understand is that social media is not your own platform. A whole lot of things happen on social media. People get banned on social media. So many things happen there. So when you are building your page on social media, the key should be to draw traffic, to use the social media to build an audience and attract them to your website, because your website is what you own. So you need to have a portfolio website as a freelancer. Even when you are filling your Fiverr profile, there is a requirement for you to put in your website. So this is a must-have for every freelancer. Just go ahead and get one portfolio website and link it to your Fiverr profile. This will help you get more clients in a short while. The final step in this video is for you to ensure customer satisfaction. Now, this is very key, because when customers are not satisfied with your work, they're gonna rate you low, and when you have a low rating on Fiverr, you are starting on a very bad footing. So you have to be prepared. Right from the time you get an inbox message, you need to reply fast. And this is one of the reasons you need to download the app on your phone and turn on the notification, so that when once you get any message in your inbox, you get a notification and you can respond immediately. When you respond fast, you now stand a better chance of getting that job, because anybody coming to Fiverr might not just send the message to only you, might send to many people. So if you keep the person waiting for too long, others will reply and they will start the conversation with the client and possibly get the job before you do. So another thing is for you to know how to relate with your clients. You need to know how to reply their messages. You need to be very polite and well mannered. Ask all the necessary questions you need to ask, and make sure you understand what your client wants so that you can deliver what the client wants. When you don't get your client satisfied, they are going to rate you low, and that is not good for your business. So this cannot be overemphasized. Do a good job for your clients, get the good ratings, and this will also boost our confidence for other people that see your gig. When you get a whole lot of 5-star rating, that means people will not have any problem placing orders on your gig. So guys, that has been it for this video. I hope you have gotten value. Do well to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification icon so that you get all of the notifications when we drop our new videos. And mind you, this should be the last in the series of our Fiverr tutorials. We'll be starting up with how to build websites, and the first one is a portfolio website. You want to make sure that you own a portfolio website so that this will help you rank higher on your Fiverr marketplace. So if you want to begin that journey with us, make sure you subscribe so that you get all the notifications when we drop our videos. Like the video, share it, leave a comment on whatsoever you don't understand or any topic that you want us to treat. Always know that we are committed to helping you start and grow your business. I'll see you in the next one.